Hello everyone, and welcome to today's mini tutorial where you get to see a step-by-step on how I created this lovely look on Jifa. So on Valentine's Day, I put up a post for a free makeover and Jifa won the free makeover. So she came over. I had no clue what I wanted to do, but I just knew I wanted to play makeup, and this is what we came up with. So enjoy. So yeah, she has lovely skin, so I always go in with my brows first. I use the Yoshe new eyebrow pencil. It's very defined, helps you get nice defined brows. You don't have to do much to get the brows outlined very nicely. Next thing, I go in with concealer to just clean around the brow, sharpen the brow, give the arch of the brow a lift just to open up the eyes. So that's what we're doing. So make sure you're concealing with a shade that is close to your skin tone, not something that is too far off from your skin tone. So you buff your concealer in. Listen, you're going to see Jifa taking selfies like every step of the way. So I'm priming her eyelids to make my eyeshadow pop and stay the whole time. So I placed a burgundy eyeshadow all over the lid, and I'm going on with this green eyeshadow it's an iridescent eyeshadow from Evita Jospeh. I love it. And then I'm lining her beautiful eyes. You have to take your time with eyeliner, you know. So eyes are done. Very simple, easy to do. I'm priming her skin now. And this primer is a moisturizer as well, so we're prepping the skin to receive the foundation. So I applied foundation all over her face. I'm blending it into her skin. It's my prayer that your face will always match your neck. Say amen. Blend, blend, blend. I'm sure she's going to take a selfie any minute. I said it. So I'm going under her eyes to conceal the dark circles, to give a nice highlight, to open up the eyes. Yeah. And then you make sure you blend it into the skin and blend it down the foundation so that the transition is very smooth. Blend, 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 blend. Ooh, coming together nicely. So I'm just buffing it into the rest of the face, and now I'm setting under the eye with some powder, and then the rest of her face with pressed powder as well, to set everything and lock it in. So a very light contour, just to define her cheekbones, her jawline, the temples, and to give her face some definition. We did this look in about 40 minutes because I remember she had a meeting and gave me 40 minutes. So I'm sure this is something you can easily do if you want to look extra glam for a wedding or something. So we are applying some blush. And if you don't know, I'm offering one-on-one personalized classes. So if you want to learn to apply your own makeup, not as intense as what a makeup artist would do, but something basic. You know, there are some days that you have to do it yourself. Maybe you have some meetings, you want to look the part, just look nice and clean. You should be able to do something basic for yourself. So I'm offering one-on-one classes, and then when you need me for those, important occasions, you holla at your girl. Selfie time. And then we are lining her lips now to define it nicely. Usually I fill the lip with a pencil as well, so that when you take your drink or your juices, you still have some color on your lips. Ooh, she looks good. So just going over with a lipstick to just make the color pop nicely. I'm setting her face with setting spray now, and then pressing it into the skin to keep everything locked in nicely. And we are done. Do you like the look? We've learned a thing or two from this video, and I'm sure you can replicate this look. So if you replicate this look, you can tag me on Instagram at Glow with Magic. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.